Welcome back to the Ready for Remodel show, where we virtually preview homes that are listed on the internet as fixer-uppers. And we show you how to use the little known and underutilized renovation loan programs where you can buy a fixer home with a fixer loan. So again, this is the Ready for Remodel show, and I'm Skip Shanker, the Regional Renovation Sales Manager for Loan Depot. And this is going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to move over to my desktop and we're going to talk about a property that I found on the internet. And it's a cute little condominium, and it's in a 55 and older community. So if you know anybody who's looking to retire, wants to move close to the beach, this is just a few short miles from the beach in Oceanside, which is in northern San Diego County. And the listing agent listed it as a cash only property, which is a mistake that a lot of real estate agents do, because it limits the potential buyers. A lot of people don't have several $100,000. This house is listed for $375,000, which is a great deal to buy a condo in San Diego County. But it has a few missing items and a few important missing things that this house really needs. And so again, most listing agents think that a house that doesn't have a kitchen and doesn't have a bathroom can't be financed, and that's wrong. We can finance a house and include the money in the buyer's loan to build a kitchen where there is none and a bathroom where there is none. And so, and we close as is. All this work is done after the buyer takes possession. So we're talking about conventional loans from Fannie Mae or an FHA loan. And so I'm going to move over to my other camera, and I'm going to show you this. We're going to do this virtual preview, and we'll talk about it and show you what it takes to buy this house and get a loan to fix it up. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen here. And again, this is the Ready for Remodel show. And if you want to get a hold of me, I am a resource. You can contact me on my toll-free number, 800-385-3503, or you can email me at shanker@loandepot.com. So let's, how do I get out of this? Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to go to this property. This is the property. It's there's two units that are connected in this this community. And like I said, it's just a few short miles from the beach. And so we can see, I'll show you a map and just back up here a little bit. And there's the beach right there. Here's Carlsbad Village, and it's actually in South Oceanside. And it's in this community right here. Again, just a few short miles from the beach. So great location. And like I said, there's the kitchen. There's not much to that kitchen, but all it takes is a bid from a licensed contractor that has a brand new kitchen. So new cabinets, new countertops, new flooring, a sink, appliances. All of these items can be financed in your loan. And then also the bathroom. The bathroom looks like they put a tub enclosure in, but that's about it. It needs a toilet, it needs a sink, a vanity, and flooring. And I spoke to the listing agent, and she said that she believes that the kitchen and the bathrooms can be completed for about $25,000. So it is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo. And according, again, to the listing agent, it's a 55-plus community, Costa Cerna, just minutes from hospitals and shopping, freeway and ocean. And look, 2 people can move in there and share it, and it'd be very, very affordable. So again, it's listed for $375,000. And if you want to get some information about the property, the listing agent is Debbie Ave. with Staged Homes Real Estate, 760-212-7355. And that's her cell number. And this is just hit the market 3 days ago. And so now let's jump into the financing part of it. So I ran a scenario for a purchase price of $375. I actually ran two scenarios based on a $25,000 home improvement. And if you bought this house for $375 and financed $25,000 and put 20% down, the current interest rate on a renovation loan, and by the way, renovation loans are about 1% above the going rate. So once you do your renovation loan, the rates are still really good. But a few months after you complete your remodel, you can do a refinance and get even a lower interest rate. But right now, if you did a conventional home style 30-year fix, the rate would be 3 7/8, and the total payment, including property taxes and homeowners insurance, is $1969. And according to the MLS listing, there are no HOA dues. So, so it looks like this is a unique situation that it looks like a single family and it acts like one without any association dues. So your monthly payment would be just under $2,000 a month. I don't think you can rent a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment anywhere in San Diego County for less than $2,000 a month. The total down payment and closing costs is just over $90,000 when you put 20% down. So let's look at the other scenario that I did, which is the FHA 203K scenario. Again, we have the sales price of $375 and $25,000 for the improvements to build the kitchen and the bathroom. The rate's the same, 3 7/8, but there's mortgage insurance. So, and the down payment is only 3.5% down. So that's a big difference. And so the payment on this is $2,600, including the principal and interest on the loan, the property taxes, homeowners insurance, and your mortgage insurance. And but the down payment and closing costs is just over $25,000. So that's a big difference as far as the cash to close. So you can buy this property. Again, your down payment in cash to close and closing costs for $25,844, and then you're going to get $25,000 back to build a brand new kitchen and a brand new bathroom. So it's fun. It's like buying a home from a builder. You can go to a design center and work with a designer and choose all of the appliances that you want, and the countertops and the cabinets and kitchen sink and faucet and all that stuff. And you can have yourself a brand new kitchen, a brand new bathroom for anywhere from between $1,969 and $2,600, depending what scenario that you have. So again, this is the Ready for Remodel show, where we preview homes that are listed as fixer-uppers. And anyway, this is a great deal. I think it's a great deal. So contact that real estate agent. You can virtually see it. And if you have any properties that you're interested in buying and you want me to run a scenario for you, let me know. Or if you're a listing agent, you want to promote your fixer listing on the Ready for Remodel show, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I can be reached here on my email, shanker@loandepot.com, or my toll-free number, 800-385-3503. Thank you very much for watching the Ready for Remodel show. Until next time, stay safe.